Why you stop frying Jamaican food?
I mean, like, you know, go yard. You cook your yard.
Let me cook at my yard. But nigga, you're not easy. That means let me cook at my yard. Cook at my yard, yes, man. Oh, you don't talk to me like me live like dog, so. Oh, you don't talk to me like me live like dog, so. But it's not easy.
No, come on. Me like it. Wayne, stop blaming, man.
I eat a piece of chicken back, man. You come America, you come America and I'm chicken back. You come America and I'm chicken back. Chicken back. I buy a piece of steaks, cook, man. Every day I come here and see a chicken.
And I just keep going, I like this up.
The whole around must chew a piece of leg in that chicken back when I give. Every day they come here and chicken back and eat, man. Buy a piece of steaks, man, in America, man.
Every day, Mr. Embry.
Yo, buy a piece of steaks, man, in America, man.
No one make your sugar.
Buy a piece of steaks. Buy a piece of steaks, man, and cook, man. In America, you know, man, I buy a piece of pork chops to go over with Dixie.
No, I stick to me and banana.
Go over Walmart and they sell out, you know. Go over Walmart, you can get one who must about 9 pieces night, about $4, $5 over Walmart. You buy a piece of pork, man, buy this size pork. Come every day like a curry chicken back. And Jamaica, you can't curry from?
What's that thing about it now? Me I eat lunch. That man I want let me share it from my
Me the pan diet. Talk about. Me have to fast and pray for no cause no wicked no. On the guy embassy and on the guy embassy they go get papers and they hope you go a man the money. Get papers embassy. So me have to fast and pray for no wicked in the land. That's why you see me they want like a burrito and drink a little drink. You talk about you see me there. You think I pour me pour. I fast for no wicked.
Thank God never go.
Since he come out this morning, you see? How much time you see eat out of one plate? 4 times. I'm gonna try to see but my plate although I can't see it. He must say the one of the Bible where having lamp and the cornmeal wouldn't go out. I can't done, I must eat that.
Chat me with no one. Time calling up.